Good work today, everybody. See you tomorrow.
Yes? I didn't get your text. So I thought I'd check you were still here.
What do you want?
Straight to business, eh? Okay. I want exclusivity to Nippersnapper.
You already have that.
Unfortunately, divorce is expensive. I need to enter the US market and I don't need any competition.
Well, what does that have to do with me? I've already secured my U.S. client. I've got the contract here waiting to be signed.
Yeah, you need to tear that up.
What?
Or I'll tell your workforce just why their lady boss has been acting so weird lately. Your choice. Let me know when it's done.
Steven! Oh, sorry to interrupt.
Nah, you're not interrupting anything. I'm just off. Let me know what you decide, yeah?
I'll be in touch. I thought everyone had gone.
Oh, yeah, no, but I came back because I realised I hadn't told you that I sent off the projections of the US deal.
Oh, well, that can wait till tomorrow.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, well, see you later.
See ya.